So I will ask you 2 questions. Write down, don't say anything to anyone. And elenco puntata, ragazzi. One, just don't write the question, just the answers.
Indiretti è insetti impollinatori che sono ghiotti di piante che fanno male a quelle o che fanno male direttamente, che piacciono a loro o che fanno direttamente.
Ecosystem, like with water and
Plant the eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that's the problem, is that the dry soil is dead. So wherever you find plants, you find wet soil. It's wine. The wine producer are directly infected by this insect, and also the wine distributors. So, for example, restaurants with this insect, the wine would cost more. So we found that actually this insect put the eggs on tidy grass. So we were talking before about tidy grass wilderness, and in a kind of way a clean garden is not the proper solution because it calls these kind of insects.
So, for example, honeybees and other wild insects can affect animals like birds, for example sparrows. Sparrows being eaten by fox or hawks, so they are also dependent on the species. And basically all those, let's say, 4 angles are interconnected because hunters, they hunt foxes, so it means that they use it probably for fur, but humans at the end are affected as well. So from each angle it comes to humans. So yeah, this is what we found.